I don't really think there's a business by design formula. I see it out there a lot, and I don't really think that makes sense. The formula for business, if you look at where business is defined in the chart, it goes from the root to the 5432 to the spleen, from the spleen to the 4426 to the will center up the 2145. And if you're going to do HR or you're in anything that involves contracts, you also want to include the 1949 and the 4037 over on the other side. Business is a place where we serve. Business isn't about you, it's about your clients. And we get so twisted up in about thinking about ourselves in business as entrepreneurs and marketing, promoting ourselves, that we forget that business is service. And when we lose connection with how can I serve people? How can I bring my gifts to serve people? And we start talking about how can I sell? How can I market? How can I brand? How can which is the shadow of business. That's when it gets all messed up. The real issue in business is value, the definition of value, and hand in hand with that, the theme of sustainability, because we've got will center to the throat. The will has to stay sustainable. So if we're going to look at business by design, the real issue is where is the person delivering the service deriving their value? Are they getting their value from their service, from their understanding of their right and irreplaceable role in the cosmic plan? Are they standing in their own value and seeing the value of what they have to give? Are they valuing their client? Are they valuing the transformation that they bring? That's question number one. Number two, are they building their business in such a way that that value affords them a business style that allows them to stay sustainable? So the sustainability piece becomes a really big issue when we start looking at types and business, because what that says is that some people's designs, and I'm not going to say it's exclusively to type because it can be other factors in the chart too, but some people by design need to structure their business in such a way that that business sustains them energetically. So say, for example, if you have an undefined sacral, you probably want to start looking at what are you going to do to sustain yourself in your business for when you have cycles when you don't have the energy, because it's going to happen. So you need to automate. You need to have evergreen types of products. You need to make sure that if you've got a business that where you're that allows you to be supported during your own cycles, that it's a cyclical business that has boom cycles. And when you have a boom cycle, you better be making a war chest for yourself so that when you're off, you've got that energy for respite and you're not making desperate decisions because now you're burned out and you're broke and you can't, you got to just keep going and you're like, under the water with a straw, sucking whatever air you can get. Everyone sells if you sell from service. No one sells, regardless of type, if it's all about you. And I am at a point where I can look at people's marketing and go, nope, 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 nope. It has nothing to do with human design and everything to do with, are you in service or not?